Renting a boat in Cancun is easy, but choosing the right company, the one that makes your day unforgettable, that's where we come in. From sleek sport fishing boats chasing the big catch, to your own private yacht to relax, soak up the sun, and celebrate with friends, or a catamaran cruise built for adventure, we have the perfect experience waiting for you. Our tailored plans include incredible snorkeling with tropical fish, swimming beside gentle sea turtles, and even the once-in-a-lifetime thrill of gliding alongside whale sharks. Dive deeper. Explore more. Discover a world few ever see. Then, enjoy lunch at an exotic beach location, where flavors and ocean views come together perfectly. After a little downtime, it's time to turn up the music and let the good times roll. As the sun dips below the Caribbean horizon, you'll realize this isn't just another boat rental. It's a memory you'll carry long after the waves fade away. Book your Cancun boat adventure today. Your perfect day at sea starts here.